What's up, everybody? It's Friday night. This is Bender with Bender's Bottom Line. And I want to talk for a second about a chart that is on a lot of people's minds. This is ROKU. ROKU's a tricky one because it's really volatile, right? We know that. But let's take a look at the chart. Let's see what we got going on here. What I have here is a 5-minute chart, a 15-minute chart underneath that. This is a 2-hour chart. We all see the support level that's way down here, right around the $99 range, which, we've tested twice, but I'm not really going to talk about that too much right now. It's not really relevant. What I do see is that we bounced right off the 200 MA on this 15-minute chart. That held up good as a level of support. And on the 5-minute chart here, I see this line of support right here around 129.75. I would look for that area to hold. And if I look at the 2-hour chart and I bring this in a little bit, you can see kind of a cup and handle sort of formation here. You can see the cup right here, and this pullback could kind of be the handle. But I would want to see confirmation of that, right? Like, let's zoom in on this 15-minute chart, and you can see we've kind of made a move up here, showing that, yeah, maybe that was a handle, right? Could be. But here's what I'm looking for come Monday. I would want to see this over that at least 130. Right? We closed under 130. I would want to see it get over 130 before I would consider taking this long. Ideally, we would get over VWAP. And I'm showing you VWAP here on a 5-minute chart, which currently sits at 130.87. So I'd want to see it get over that. At least see the 8 stay above the 34. And let's get the price above the 34. And above the 80 MA before going long. If I was looking for a short position, I would consider it probably under this 128.66 area right here. If we look at that, and if I draw on this chart, you can see this area right here that we've had some consolidation. So I would want to see the price drop below this area, and I would consider taking this short. And that could be a good play. So this is what I'm looking at, potential long, potential short on Monday. Let's see which way it goes. I don't know. I don't necessarily have a bias. I don't care which way it goes. I'm going to play the movement. I'm going to play the momentum. But that's kind of what I'm looking at. You've got this resistance up here around 140. Which coincides with right here, again, 140. This level here, around 150. But let's see which way it goes, man. If it starts to go to the upside and we can clear this right here, then you've got a nice little run, potential run continuation here. But if it doesn't, if it fails, and you see this downside below this area, and we start heading towards that 128, break under 128.66, then you've got this 128.18 and potentially some continued downside. So that's what I'm looking at on ROKU. Hope that was helpful. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos so that I can keep making them, because I enjoy doing it, and I hope you guys get something from it. Enjoy your weekend, and let's get back at it and make some money on Monday.